Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hey, kamusta kayo guys?
So today is my birthday and we decided to go horseback riding.
Yeah, here we are. There's a horse here. Well, tons of horses, so yeah, there's a helicopter.
Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones slow you down.
You have Matrix right here. I forgot to tell you the name.
Oh, okay. What was the name?
Matrix!
Matrix. Okay, I thought that's what you said. I was like
Yeah.
Matrix.
It's a good name because he's just like the slow motion scene when Neo ducks down from the bullet.
Right.
Like he's not that fast.
Okay, cool.
He's good.
Nice.
He has a very mysterious, pretty girlfriend too, so it's perfect.
Oh, there we go.
Right? He's just like Neo. Alright.
Just go right in there. Alright.
Here we go. Nice job. Hold on.
The grass should've looked greener. I need a true believer in disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, short changing and receiving, girl, you best be leaving me behind. Cause I'm over easy tonight. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh.
So we're riding horse today. It's Saturday. The horse's name is Matrix.
Tonight. Who wants a lady?
Alright guys, welcome to Griffith Park. We're gonna spend the next 3 hours. Sorry, no coffee today, man. No coffee. We're gonna spend the next 2 hours in this park. This is a public park, which means anyone is welcome into the park.
Disguise. If I'm loving you wrong, she'll changing and receiving. Girl, you best be leaving me behind. Cause I'm over easy. I'm over easy. And I'm over easy tonight. Hey!
Taking a little break, I guess. So yeah, this is getting closer to the end of our horseback riding. You can see the Hollywood sign back there. Oh,
Alright. Yeah, just like that when we walk down the park.
He wants to go in the same.
lead him over here. Hi, Mom. Say hi.
You ready to get down?
He doesn't want to bark.
Oh, there's candy in here.
Oh, that's why.
He knows it. He's so smart.
Alright, so we're here at Sunset Park and we just had an amazing time.
Yes.
So, pretty relaxing, pretty cool. Our tour guides were really awesome. Our horse Matrix, the one I was riding in,
And my horse is Rocky.
they were just awesome. So,
If ever you're in LA, you have to try it.
yeah, check this place out. It's totally cool. It's right underneath the Hollywood sign. Check it out, Sunset.
Sunset Ranch. I'm gonna put the link below.
Yeah, check it out. So,
And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.
yeah, or hit the thumbs up. But yeah, so we'll see you in the next one.